Hello, welcome to Pavan IT Zone. My name is Pavan Kumar, and in this video, you will understand Vault with an example. Let's say if you want to secure your secrets in your infrastructure, just like API keys, passwords, certificates, you need Vault. With Vault, what you can do, you can securely store your secrets, you can dynamically create your secrets, you can do data encryption, you can lease and renew the secrets, and you can revoke the passwords or the secrets. Let's try to understand with an example how Vault can help your infrastructure to provide secrets. Let's say you have an application and there is a database. Your application wants to do a read and write task. In your infrastructures, what you can do, you can create a Vault tool, and Vault will store your credential, and it will provide the credential whenever the application needs to connect with the database. Here is what you need: a security team which will maintain and define the secret policies. So that's it for this video. If you want to understand more about Vault, please comment.